Greetings and salutations, science fans. Welcome to another episode of SciSparks. I'm Jonah from McWane Science Center. Will it be difficult for us to do something really scary with today's experiment? Actually, it'll be super easy. Barely an inconvenience. How about if I go barefoot and walk on a bunch of Lego bricks? Lego. We love playing with them, but stepping on them? Raise your hand if you've ever had your shoes off and stepped on a Lego brick. Now put your hands down, I can't see you. But I do know that everyone who had their hands raised was wincing at the time. That's because when you step on a Lego brick, it's a rigid piece of plastic with sharp corners, and it all pushes up on your foot. Youchie! So how about I step on a whole bunch of them? I got this idea when I was very hard at work here at McWane Science Center doing research on one of our classic exhibits. Surprisingly good lumbar support, and surprisingly safe. Here's how. When there are a lot of nails, the force pushing on something is spread evenly amongst all the nails. Sharing is caring. But one nail singular? All the force pushes on just one spot. That's what happens when you step on a singular piece of Lego. And now, to make sure I don't trip and fall like a klutz, disembodied hand. Thank you very much, disembodied hand. Let me pause for some drama. No problem. There are a couple reasons for this. Instead of one Lego brick, I'm stepping on a whole lot of them, so it works like the bed of nails. With one nail, or one piece of Lego, all of my weight is being pressed against one object, which presses back up on the foot, youchie. But with so many bricks, each one supports a little bit of my weight. What's more, a single piece of Lego can only go down at the floor if you step on it. But with this big pile of bricks, they shift around in a lot of different directions, and they don't push up at my feet very much at all. You might think I have to step very carefully on the bricks, but really, everything is awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to remember to like and subscribe to McWane Science Center's YouTube channel. And we'll see you again next time with another episode of SciSparks.